Good morning or good afternoon, whichever, it doesn't matter. So today I am going to be doing my patio. I'm so excited. It is long overdue, and let me just move out of this room because, you know, it's clean, but you know, we're done here. This room is, we ain't gonna see that room because that's a hot mess. But I am here and I am going to finally do my patio. So excited. And yeah, let's get with it. So I'm finally outside here. What do you ask, Marlo? Did you leave your ball here? Why? So I'm trying to make this like a nice boho kind of area. These are my pillows that I had from last year, and I wasn't feeling the black because it's just too dark. Sorry, me, and now I look too dark. It was just too dark, so I just wanted to do something different. So yeah, so we do have this tent here, and Marlo's barking, sorry. And I was like, I did not want this tent, but because we have so many mosquitoes, bugs and everything, it is necessary, and also the bug zapper. So that's why we did it. That's why we always have it. So just a little context for you, because it's where we are, there's a lot of trees for our backyard, and yeah, so I'm okay with it now. I still wanted something a little different, but sometimes you just can't work with it. So this is what I'm gonna get the lights. But let me close this because, you know, don't look cute. But I did go to Ikea and I did get some carpets. Well, no, I got 2 carpets from Ikea because first, initially, I wanted something that was, you know, cheap or whatever, and then I got something else. So I'm indecisive of what I want. And then my husband sent me a video of a carpet from Home Depot. So now I have 3 options, and I'm just gonna test it out. Maybe you guys can comment down below of which one you think I should actually choose. I won't know, but these are the 2 that I got from one from Home Depot and one from Ikea. So they're right here. I'm already, sorry if it's too dark here. Let me turn on the light. This one, I'm already on the fence that I think I might choose this one. And this is the one that I got from Home Depot, just because it is like taller and longer. And this is the one that I got from Ikea. But I asked both of them before I purchased if I could take it back if I had my receipt. They said it was fine. So, you know, we're gonna do this. I also have the other 2 that I got from Ikea, and I just washed it, but because it was a little bit dirty, so we're gonna test that out too. I don't know if I mentioned this, but because I wanted it to be boho and like lighter colors, that's how I feel like the boho feel is. It's like all like these creams and whites and browns, and I didn't want to buy any new actual what is the thing, cushions. I just got some from what is this, Amazon, and they were pretty cheap. I think hopefully I will link them down below if you guys want to check them out. But these are the ones that I'm just going to be putting on my cushions right now, and I like the fact that I can just take them off and wash them whenever people come over, and if they spill something, yeah, I like the feels. And I also made some side tables. The other video for that will be, hopefully I've already uploaded it, but if not, it will also be on my channel, so you guys can check that out as well. So let's get started. So this is the carpet from oh my god, Home Depot. So I think I'm just gonna open this one up first just to see how it looks. Okay, so I just put the first carpet down from Home Depot, and I know sometimes you need the whole entire look to like determine if it looks good or not, but this one I'm not too sure about. Like, tell me guys. It's a big circle. I mean, I like the color, but like just right here, I know if I could push it up or whatever inside, it's just, I don't know. I'm not too sure. What do you guys think? Like, I don't really want to waste my time of putting the cushions and everything if it's not gonna look good. I guess I'll try. I'll push this up a little bit just to see. I don't know. So this is what it looks like when it's pushed up a little more, so it's like covered inside, I guess. Like this part is like, I don't know. Maybe it's just supposed to be out a little bit because it just doesn't even make sense. Like, you know, some of that is out. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be out a little bit, I guess. Because it's supposed to be like an area rug. Well, it says on there area rug. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna pull it out a little more, I guess. Okay, so I've left it this way. I'm just gonna get the other carpet because, oh, sorry, it's so dark. Sorry. Go backwards. I'm just gonna get the other carpet from Ikea and see. This is the one. Wow, they really wrapped this thing up good, man. All right, well, yeah. Okay, I can't hold the camera and this at the same time, so it's being carried outside. Okay. I'm just gonna put the cushions on now, though. Don't judge me, guys. I'm a little bit iffy sometimes, but you know, it's all gonna work out. Yeah, we have a winner and it's not this one. I'm going with this one, thank God, for my husband, because I would have been very upset with this one. I'm not feeling it. It did have a little stench to it, but I mean, it is thicker, but this is an outdoor rug. I think this one is too, but I'm just not feeling it to going with this, like the color scheme and such. It's just, it's not it. It's not the one. And yeah, and yeah, it's a no. It's a no for me. Okay, so I have already made up my mind that I was using the Home Depot one, even though I was still on the fence with it initially, but I forgot to tell you about the Ikea one that I had purchased before, which was a little bit cheaper. And because I'm a good friend, you know, I'm gonna show you what it is. But I'm keeping that obviously because I took the tag off. I've already been washing it and saying, but that will be something that I will use when I just don't wanna, like, I can put it over top of the Home Depot carpet and not feel ways if people are coming and, you know, hanging out here with their shoes on and things. So I can put that over top, you know. I don't know. You know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean, but you know. So this is the other one, and sorry it's not like spread out properly, but I did get this out of the dryer, so this is what it's looking like. But yes, this is still a keeper, but it's something that I can take off and then just put in the wash, just like the cushions. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to decorate the area and make the space my own, and I'm so excited because I made these side tables by myself and I put so much work into them. So these are my ladies. These are the side tables. Oh my god, look at them, look at them. I know, they look amazing. And for, you know, I think what, maybe $50 maybe to make these two, as opposed to getting the side tables from Home Depot or Ikea or wherever. The ones from Home Depot was $79.99, so that's like $180 for two side tables, and I paid and I made these for 50 bucks. So I think it's a win, and I love to do a lot of DIY stuff. I just didn't have any time, but I did for this, and I am here for it. So this video will be on my channel, like I said before, but yes, I'm just gonna bring these out and just see how this is all gonna work. So I wanted to show you guys also all the things that I'm using to just decorate the hell out of this little gazebo, patio, whatever thing that I have going on in my backyard. I did have these garlands from Dollarama that I already had from last year, and then I went and picked up some more from Dollar Tree. So these are the garlands, and I don't know if they'll match really with this, but I'm hoping it will. And this is actually a baby blanket that my sister gave me, and also this beauty. Oh my god, look at this. This is something that I made. It is macrame, if I'm saying this right. I hope I am. And I actually made this from all of these things. All of these items here are from the Dollar Tree. No word of a lie. From the Dollar Tree. Can you imagine? And it turned out bomb. I was like, oh, I should have made a video about this. Comment down below if you want a video about how I made this macrame. It was like, I was just like in my feels of like DIYing and arts and crafts again. I love. But yes, we are going to, I'm still going to continue on, and you guys are going to be with me in the process. So let us continue. So I did get a few pillows. This one was from Wayfair, and I just got the pillow cushion, or the cushion. Sorry, I just got the pillowcase. I already had a cushion and I just put it inside this, so I only got one of these, so this is gonna go right here. And this one was from Ikea from before, and I did get a few others. I think this one was from Wayfair as well, and I believe this one too, and this one was from Ikea. So it's all coming together, guys. Oh my god. So I ran out of the cushions for the, like, you know, the cushions that you put on inside the actual pillowcase thing. So I'm just gonna use some scraps that I have, and yeah, hopefully it looks good. We'll see. I mean, sometimes you just don't even need to buy this. You just have to improvise, you know what I'm saying? But this was the one from Wayfair, and it looks very nice. So I'm hoping that this works out. Done. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for spending the day with me as I, you know, revamped this space. Just love. So that is it. I am going to have me a glass of wine because it's still daytime and I can drink, and yeah, and that's it. I'm just gonna chill in my space. It's quiet time for me, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.